Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and in this video I'm going to introduce you to some basic formulas. Copy this data into your spreadsheet. Select cell C1. Type an equals symbol to begin a formula. As soon as we type that equals symbol, notice how all of the options in the ribbon have been greyed out. Because we're typing in a formula, we can't use any of these options. After typing an equals symbol, if I select a cell, it's surrounded by an animated border. This is showing you that this formula will reference whatever value is in this cell. If I click on another cell, it will change the cell referenced in the formula bar. After selecting A1, type a plus symbol. Now that we've typed the plus symbol, we can select another cell. Click on cell B1. The text in cell C1 should now say equals A1 plus B1. This means that any text you see in this cell after we press enter is the value of whatever is in cell A1 and cell B1. Press enter and we can see that the answer is 11. Because the contents of cell C1 are directly dependent on what is in cells A1 and B1, if we change any value in those two cells, the formula results in C1 will change. Select cell A1 and type 20. As soon as you press enter, the value in C1 has changed to 21. Our next formula is going to be subtraction. Select cell C2, type an equal symbol to begin a formula. Select cell A2, then type a minus symbol and select cell B2. So your cell should say equals A2 minus B2. Press enter and the result should be 8. Our third formula is going to be multiplication. When multiplying values in Excel, you can't use the letter X as you would on a calculator. Instead, we're going to use the asterisk symbol, which you get by holding Shift and tapping the 8 key. In cell C3, type equals to begin a formula, and then select cell A3. Hold Shift and tap the 8 key for an asterisk, and then click on cell B3. Press enter, and C3 should say 30. Our next formula will be division. Select cell C4 and type an equals symbol, and then select cell A4. As there's no divide symbol on a keyboard, we'll need to use the / symbol, which is on the same key as a question mark next to the right Shift key. Type a / and then select cell B4. Press enter, and your answer will be 2.5.